I don't want to press the panic button this evening, but you all realize that football superstar Lionel Messi is in real danger of missing the World Cup finals in Russia next year, with Argentina stuck in 5th place in South American qualifying, with only 4 teams assured of an automatic spot, and with 2 games to go. Messi and Argentina continue to struggle to cement their passage to Russia, and by extension, Messi continues to struggle to cement his overall greatness. I know the argument with me and Messi already. Biggest club baller ever, but a wimp and a failure at the World Cup level. But as much as me have Messi as a club bully / World Cup flop, I personally want to see the little man at the World Cup finals. After all, he is the superstar of the current generation, and a World Cup finals without Messi would not be the same. Indeed, we want to see all the top stars, including Messi, on the biggest stage. If you ask me, if he will finally take over the World Cup by storm and win it, me would have bet $1 upon that. But at least we want Messi to be at the big dance, so there will be no excuses. But if Argentina did qualify, Messi would have win and blah blah blah. We want Messi to qualify with Argentina again and flop again and then return. So for the first time in my life, me a cheer for Lionel Messi. Messi, Messi, Messi. Hold on. I will press the panic button. Messi, I will press the panic button.